I'm not gonna lie to you, I saw something I really want to see, and we're turning around. We'll take a quick peek at this. Got a little buggy. Full bottom, completely rusted out. It'd be cool if there was just like a pistol laying in here. A little deer right there. And check that out. Ah, that's cool. Super cool, Mimi and Papa's. I think it's all for sale too. That's pretty awesome. We got ants and a cougar, rabbit, deer, alien with an old M16, lions, knights, all black cowboys. You got a giraffe head right there. Oh, it's Mimi and Papa's place. Someday on the way back, I'm gonna have to stop by this place. Oh, it's pretty cool. What's the point of driving across country if you don't stop anywhere, right? You gotta take shots, but just the weekends, I'm in Windham, Minnesota. So if you wanna check out Mimi and Papa's place, if that looks cool to you, if you wanna buy a really crazy statue, swing by here, come see Mimi and Papa. I would say the one really nice thing about being in Minnesota is all the rest stops are pretty nice. There's some places across the country that aren't very nice, but the parks and rest stops are very nice, luxurious. We're here. We drove from right here in the cities, Minneapolis. We're in Sioux Falls right now, and then we're trying to get to past Rapid City, I believe. Yeah, we're trying to get to Sundance or Custard, somewhere in here. I thought that this was a field. It's just blue water. I think this is the Missouri River coming up. It's really blue. Does the Missouri River run through Missouri? I'm gonna have to Google this real quick. Okay, I Googled it, and yes, the Missouri River cuts way east from South Dakota and hits Missouri. I got caught up in the zone. All of a sudden, ding, 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 light came on. Luckily, gas station. Let's swing by here. Let's fill up. So we're currently in Kennebec, South Dakota. We have driven so far 5 hours and 47 minutes, 386 miles. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't want to drive anymore, but it's the first day and we're in South Dakota. I want to get past it so we can spend more time in cool places. I'm coming up to a national park and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what I want to do. I don't think I can use my drone in here, which kind of sucks, but well, that's pretty cool. I ain't never been to the Badlands, I don't think. I'm ignorant. I just drove in, like, I don't even think it was a mile, and now I'm just gonna turn around. I looked it up on ChatGPT, can't stay here legally, have to stay at a campground, but I do not have the money to stay at a campground every night, so we're gonna go to a rest stop right out here, and we're gonna stay there. I think this is just kind of one of the things that happens when you don't look into anything. You don't know much, and you just go out and do it. You just learn the hard way. It's a little bit tougher, but it all works out in the end. All right, we got to the rest stop. All right, we got to the rest stop. All right, we got to the rest stop. I don't know where to park, though. I kind of want to be away from stuff. That's kind of what that guy's doing. I've been in this car for like 4 hours and it smells like rotisserie chicken, so I'm gonna go take a walk and go inside because my legs are really stiff. All of the Rest areas in South Dakota have this. I'm guessing that's a teepee. In South Dakota, there was two main tribes, the Lakota tribe and the Dakota tribe. Dakota tribe was on the east side and the Lakota was on the west side. And the east side had a bigger population. It also meant peace and ally. And that's why South Dakota and North Dakota got named the Dakotas instead of the Lakotas, just more population. The rest areas in South Dakota are just as good as Minnesota. All right, so what did I bring? I have a pair of snow pants here, and then I'll wear my winter jacket, and then I have a massive onesie here as well I'll throw on. I think between those two, that should keep me pretty warm. Staying pretty warm inside of the car, getting cold and then trying to get warm. Oh man, it sucks. So let's just stay warm. All right. Pants are on. Waist tighten thing here. Keep some heat in tonight. Doing pretty good. Feel pretty successful on this run here. Nothing too crazy going on. Just a nice night, eating wraps, hanging out in the car. I know it's not the most comfortable, but man, I feel free. I feel alive. I feel great. Couldn't ask for anything else. Well, I had my wife, dog, 2 cats. I miss them. They always make it better. I ain't covering my windows because I don't care if anyone sees me. I've got a light on. They can enjoy the show. I'm already on YouTube, so who cares if somebody's staring in my window creeping on me? Their loss. Feels really good to get out of the car and walk around a little bit. Just ate a bunch of food and feel like walking around before going to bed. It gets your blood up too. It helps with like bloating and cramping after eating. Just gets the food moving, gets everything processed. Okie dokie, artichoke. I'm about to go to bed. Let's recap the day. What did we learn from today? Don't plan anything out. You'll be okay. You'll just adapt if you go somewhere you can't sleep. Choose easy food. I made wraps. Those are really easy to make in a car. Get your blood up before you go to bed. Bring warm clothes and a blanket. You're Gucci. Get on the road. Go have fun. It's 1 a.m. I've slept a little bit, but man, I just can't get comfortable. I think not laying flat, my body's kind of making an S. I'm tired. I feel like I could sleep, but I got the blanket out, so I'm feeling pretty warm. You can see from the windows, they're starting to fog up a little bit. They're not icing over though, so it can't be too cold. Not horrible. This is not comfortable. I wish it was more comfortable. A little food never hurt though. Eating the rest of my wrap that was sitting on the front dash. Baby, baby, baby. Oh, and there you have it. That is not too bad. Not too bad at all. I slept pretty good. It took a while, but once I got to sleep, I was out like a flame that went out. 24 hours in the car, not too bad. Ate good food, had a good time. I'm going to be having a lot more videos coming out here coming up soon. Think Morning Brain. I'm heading down to Mexico. I'm shooting a video every single day because I have nothing else to do. It is going to be a variety of stuff. Hit subscribe if you like what you saw today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.